Yep, that's right. I got a Porsche. Now, it's not exactly what you might be picturing because I got the Porsche by Lego. Now, I know this channel is mainly focused on video and photos, but the channel and its foundation and its core is really about creativity. And that's what I usually try to focus on. Seeing as this is a part of the Creator Expert series, I thought it would be fun to try to make a video of my first build. I've played with Lego before, but I've never built something this challenging, and it'll be the first time I've ever done that. So wish me luck, and we'll see how long it'll take me to get this thing built. Now, for anybody who cares, I'll be using the a7 IV, the 20mm Sony G 1.8 lens, and the 85 Sony FE 1.8 lens. I'll mainly be hand-holding it for some of the B-roll sequences, but for the build portion, I will probably lock it off onto a tripod, and the one I'm using right now is the Peak Design tripod. I got this as a birthday gift last year in March, and around that time we had been discussing about leaving Canada and coming to Germany, so I didn't want to put all this work into building this, what I'm assuming is a pretty hard build for a first-timer, and then have to break it down and then rebuild it again. So I basically pulled it out of its box, which is why I don't have it, shoved all this into my luggage, and then brought it over here. And now that our house is a bit more furnished and at a better place than it was when it was fully empty and we had nothing, I figured it'd be a good time to start this build. So how many hours do you think it's gonna take me to build this thing? So is it gonna be 5? Is it 10? Leave a comment down below because I'm super curious. Wish me luck, and let's see how long this thing takes to get made. Well, we made it. I have completed my very first Lego build from the Creator Expert series. Not without a few hiccups, but we got through it. Now, I completely understand why some people get fully addicted to building these sets. Being a creator, sometimes it's hard to organize your thoughts or your ideas are all over the place. But when you are building one of those sets, it really puts you into that flow state that everybody talks about. It can be calming, and you start to feel a little bit of zen as you get into that flow. And I guess I can relate it to the feeling of creating a video. You start off with the building blocks, and then as you start to piece everything together and then it's completed, you just have this really amazing feeling when it's fully finished and you get to see the final product. And that is the same feeling that I get when I make these videos. So that's why I thought it would be fun to sort of film the process of building Lego. I had a lot of fun doing it. I know this video was a little bit different from what I normally put on the channel, but I hope that you enjoyed it anyways. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Help me somehow conquer the YouTube algorithm overlords, and hopefully you learned something as well. Now, it took me 7 hours in total to film and build it, but how many hours did you think it took me just to build it? I timed that part out without all the breaks that I took and everything. So I asked you to comment earlier, and hopefully you will. But if you do, I will answer your questions right away, or you can even send me a DM on Instagram or whatever. But if you feel so inclined, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out my small channel. And we'll see you in the next one. And as always, live passionately and stay inspired.